In today's world, choosing the right cooking oil can be a puzzling task with a multitude of options and often contradictory advice. In this video, we aim to unravel this mystery. Let us first understand the nature of different cooking oils. First one is saturated fats. These include butter, ghee, which is essentially a clarinated butter, and coconut oil. Saturated fats do not have any double bonds, unlike monosaturated or polyunsaturated fats. While they were once demonized, saturated fats are no longer considered bad. Ghee in particular stands out for its rich source of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and anti-inflammatory butyric acid beneficial for gut health. Second set of oils are monounsaturated oils. These include olive oil, avocado oil, peanut oil, and canola oil. These oils have single double bonds, hence called monounsaturated. Olive oil and avocado oil are considered healthy, rich in omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids. The third set of oils are polyunsaturated fats. These contain two or more double bonds. They are unstable when exposed to heat. Examples include oils from nuts such as walnuts, chia seeds, seed oils such as grapeseed oils, sunflower oil, and soybean oil. These oils are rich in omega-6 fatty acids. The next set of oils are trans fats. These are hydrogenated vegetable oils, were once favored for their longer shelf life but are now known to be detrimental to heart health. The FDA banned them in 2018. So before deciding on the best cooking oil, we have to understand some concepts about smoke points, oxidative stability of oil, and antioxidant content of the oil. Let us explore smoke points. The smoke point of an oil is the temperature at which it starts producing smoke. At this point, the oil generates volatile compounds like lipid peroxides, which can contribute to cancer risk. Different oils have distinct smoke points. In general, oils with higher smoke points are ideal for high heat cooking. Here are some examples of smoke points of oils. Refined avocado oil with smoke point of 520, high quality extra virgin oil with smoke point of 405, virgin avocado oil 375, peanut oil 440, ghee 485, virgin coconut oil 350, extra virgin olive oil 320. Polyunsaturated seed oils, which are refined, have a smoke point of 390 to 475. Unrefined polyunsaturated seed oils have a smoke point of 225. Let us explore oxidative stability of oil. Oxidative stability measures an oil's resistance to harmful chemical changes when heated. Some consider this is more important than the smoke point for cooking oils. Another important stability measure is the antioxidant content of the oil. Refined oils often have little or no antioxidants due to the refining process. Look at the table. Olive oil and saturated fats have high oxidizing stability. Antioxidant content of olive oil and avocado oil is very high. In summary, the best cooking oil based on oxidative stability, antioxidant content, and smoke point is as follows. For frying up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, consider these top choices for monounsaturated fat oils, which are considered healthy. My first choice is refined avocado oil with a smoke point of 520 degrees Fahrenheit. The one available with chosen foods is naturally refined without chemicals. Let us look at saturated fat options. For saturated fats, ghee with a smoke point of 485 stands out as a healthy choice because of the vitamins, minerals, and anti-inflammatory butyric acid. For low heat cooking, extra virgin olive oil with smoke point of 325 is the best. For use in room temperature, monounsaturated fats such as extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil are the best because of the antioxidant content. Unrefined polyunsaturated fats such as chia seed, walnut oil, and flaxseed oil are also good because of healthier omega-6 to 3 ratio. Oils to avoid include canola oil. I do not recommend canola oil because of the chemical refining process that is used unless it is expeller pressed. Refined polyunsaturated fats such as sunflower and vegetable seed oils often used in restaurants and processed foods. They're best avoided due to the chemical refining process that is done to increase smoke point and also because of low oxidative stability of these oils. They also have an unfavorable omega-6 to 3 ratio. These oils are most often used in restaurants because they are cheap with longer shelf life and also are often seen in processed foods. For this reason, it is probably better to avoid all fried food from restaurants unless you have a knowledge of what oil they use for frying. In addition, unrefined cold-pressed vegetable seed oils such as soybean oil, safflower, sunflower, and corn oil, although nutrient-rich, have lower smoke points around around 225, and poor oxidative stability, making them unsuitable for cooking. In addition, they have unfavorable omega-6 to 3 ratio. Also, the fats that need to be avoided are trans fat or hydrogenated oils. Trans fats are the worst and are banned because of health risks, but they can still be present in small amounts in processed foods. Always check labels. FDA does not require manufacturers to label trans fats if the quantity is less than 0.5 grams per serving. Therefore, processed food can still contain trans fats even if labeled as 0 grams. Therefore, it is better to avoid all packaged and processed food. How do we store oil? Use opened oil within 6 months to prevent oxidation. Store oils in a dark containers and in a cool, dark place, especially for olive oil and avocado oil. So in summary, by understanding the complexities of cooking oils, you can make informed choices to ensure both your health and culinary endeavors are at their best. Thank you for watching.